Student Health and Wellness manages the insurance verification process for students incoming for the fall semester. If you have a to-do list in your SIS account, then you need to complete this task. Go to the Healthy Who's portal, which you can find on our website, on the Student Health and Wellness website, and then log in using your Net badge. You need to do one of two things: either submit proof of insurance or enroll in the Aetna Student Health Plan. But first, I'll show you how to submit proof of current health insurance coverage. That means you have insurance already. You'll need to find out the insurance information from the policyholder, which is typically a parent or guardian. You're going to answer questions about your insurance plan that you need to answer here on the screen with either a yes or a no. You're going to fill out all of these questions with an answer. And if you need to talk to the policyholder, please gather that information beforehand so the system doesn't time out. You'll then click Submit once your questions are answered, and then you're going to need to provide insurance information to us. So fill out the insurance company name, fill out the policy number, the group number if it applies, and so on until all the fields are populated. And then you're going to upload images of the front and the back of your insurance card images, which should be in PDF or JPEG format and no bigger than 10 megabytes. Then you'll upload those images and complete the policyholder information, which will be the first name and the last name and the birth date of the policyholder, and then your relationship to the policyholder. And then at the bottom of that screen, you're going to choose Add. So then you'll get a status window, which will say you can monitor the status by clicking on Insurance and then seeing what value there is. Next, I'm going to show you how to enroll in the Aetna Student Health Plan. This is the other option that you can choose, but you do not need to do both. So if you don't have insurance that meets our criteria and you want to enroll in the Aetna Student Health Plan, please do so by clicking that circle and press Next. The charge will be added to your student account in September. Your Aetna ID will be found on the Aetna website after about 5 to 7 business days. And let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.